You feel it?
Yeah. It kicked in when I was pedaling.
Yeah, you start pedaling and you start feeling it kick in, but
it goes assist. It doesn't go.
Exactly. It doesn't rocket you up there to the top speed. It just, whatever you want it to be is where it goes. That's the difference between torque and cadence.
Okay.
And it's pretty nice.
It's a shame they don't do that on the deer.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
So since I just got both of these recently, I'm really starting to like the torque sensors.
I can see why, because I want to be able to pedal.
Yeah, you want to be able to pedal.
Something on the deer, you can't keep up.
You can't really keep. Yeah. The only way to do that is to keep it like in pedal assist 1 and try to pedal a little faster, and then that gives you some resistance because you're trying to go faster than what pedal assist 1 is set at. So that's the only way to really do it.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go this way. All right, guys, got my buddy Ron. Riding the Emma. He's checking out the torque sensor. You do like what?
I like it.
Heck yeah. Absolutely. We're going to go this way and go down into Harrison Ranch.
Okay.
Is that okay? Have we been over there before, you and I?
I've never been down there. I've been in here.
All right, we'll wait for this guy. We'll go ahead and wait for this guy. Yeah, we just go around, sneak around the gate, and just drive through there.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
I hit it.
Yep, your left one is.
Okay. Now it's off, right?
Yep. No, I noticed that. That's all right.
They were cruise on, it would hold this speed.
Yeah. And it only takes 5 seconds for it to kick in.
Yeah.
So, I'm not sure if I like that part. I mean, it's kind of nice, but I think for a lot of people, it would catch them off guard and it would scare them, and they're more likely to have an accident, you know? Yeah, these are the only two that do. No. But, come over here. That's the one that has the best gearing that I have seen on any bikes. It's got 8 speeds.
Right.
And it's got a really small sprocket, so there's no ghost pedaling. You can just pedal along, so it almost feels like it would have a torque sensor because you can keep up with it. So it's just really nice. But no, it's a cadence.
Yeah.
Watch this right here. That's the FedEx guy that usually delivers all my bikes.
It was?
I said that was a FedEx driver that usually delivers all my bikes.
Oh.
I see him a lot.
Yeah. He must be delivering a lot of bikes.
I guess. Hey, I'm seeing them more and more all over the place. It seems like just within the last month and a half or so, I'm seeing so many more than what I used to.
Okay.
I used to just see them occasionally.
Yeah.
Now I see them a lot.
How you doing?
Other than the Scoria, I can't remember any other small 20-inch that has a torque sensor.
Yeah.
Now there is a company that makes, they probably have something. All their bikes I have torque sensors. They don't have anything with a cadence, so everything is a torque. And that's called Havsco. Habsco. So we can always check and see what they have, and they probably have a 20-inch something, but I don't know what. Let's go to the left. You don't want to risk something new?
I don't want to be a guinea pig.
Yeah, I understand. Hello.
Good. If I get something with the sensor, I just wish the deer had it.
I do too. That would be a perfect. Oh, that'd be a perfect setup.
It wouldn't surprise me if they don't do it later.
Right. We're gonna take a left here. I lean over a lot on this one because the handlebars are so low.
Yeah.
If I were going to keep it, I would have changed it and raised it up.
Yeah.
But I exceed the weight limit on this bike, so I'm not going to keep it.
Oh.
It's all their bikes have about a 220 pound weight limit, and I'm 245, so that'd be rough on the motor possibly, but I just don't know what the frame is going to do over time, and so I'm just not going to keep it. Otherwise, because it's a torque sensor, I would keep it. I'd be happy with it.
I think your kids like this bike too.
They all did.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
You know,
Yeah.
before I come down here. Nice lake.
Yeah, it's real pretty.
Look now.
We'll go down and we're going to come around and come out right here.
I think that man.
But you're also getting a lot more exercise with that
Yeah.
because you're actually pedaling, putting into it. And with that, with a torque sensor, it's a lot easier to keep up with other people because you're not rocketing up to that next highest,
Yeah.
setting. Yeah, I mean, I hate to say anything, but there just might be a torque sensor bike in my future that will be my permanent bike just because I'm enjoying it so much.
Yeah. I like it. I'll have to take a look at that. Like you were talking about, do you get credit for that Hot Wheel?
No.
Give you anything?
No.
No? Oh, that's close.
Oh no. And that's one of the reasons why I don't like the company.
Yeah.
So I bought both of those bikes myself. So I spent $4,000 buying two bikes. I asked them for a discount. They wouldn't give me one. We're going to go this way.
All right.
I told them I was going to make a bunch of videos, and I did. I was making lots of videos. And after a few months, they finally said, well, we have a new model coming out, and when we get it, we'll send that to you so you can make some videos with that one. I said, great, that's appreciated. That's perfect. The new model came out. They put it on sale, started selling it. I reached out to them and said, hey, I see you have it in and you started selling it. Are you going to still send one? Never responded.
I'll be darned.
Over a period of like a month or so, I sent them an email 3 or 4 times saying, hey, I'm not hearing anything from you. I'd like to get this bike you promised. Nope. Never heard from them. The only time I heard from someone is when the Basalt broke down and I had to reach out to them about getting another cadence sensor. That's the only time they communicated with me, and that was it. We're going to go over here. Whenever I come over here, I like just walking out there.
Yeah.
So I figured we might walk out there real quick, see something different.
Sure.
I've yet to see any alligators in this one, but I'm sure they're out here.
We need something like this on our big lake.
Yeah, we do. We got that nice lake. I wish they had put a little path around it.
I know, that'd be nice.
You know, a walking path.
Right, because people would enjoy that.
Yeah, they would.
Even if they did it, what is that, gravel or whatever it is they use?
Yeah, that shell stuff.
Yeah.
Yep.
I got 'em.
Catching anything?
Yeah, we catch 4 fish in a row.
Oh,
Wow,
boy.
good for you.
They're over there, so be careful with their
Okay.
They're big.
Who is he? Is?
No,
Oh, okay. They're big fish.
yeah.
All right. Yeah, I see them in the little bucket. So one's a senior this year.
Wow. Oh, that's my phone. That's my alarm. So I had to fix a pool leak again today.
Oh, geez. Oh,
Yep.
where's it at?
The leak was around the skimmer again, around the intake. So this is the 4th time I've had to fix it.
Huh.
But it started, we noticed it last week that it was draining down real fast, and
Did- How you doing? All right.
you know, this is pretty nice for $1,100.
Oh, yeah.
Just, you don't find them that cheap with torque sensors usually,
Right.
and it's just, we'll go straight. It's just,
What you do on trails with it, though, would really
yeah, it would do okay on pretty basic trails, you know, but
Yeah.
I wouldn't care for it a whole lot. We'll go up on the sidewalk right here. If that's okay with you. Is that screen or is that the,
That's cloth.
do you need it?
No.
I do.
Need it?
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah, you have it.
We're gonna redo our flower beds.
There for both of them.
We're gonna redo our flower beds.
Be better on there.
We're good.
Okay. I still got some, but they use the black on my side where it's gravel.
Right.
I wish they used that.
I didn't know there was a difference, but
Yeah, that more light gets through and weeds get through.
okay.
That seems to be better. We'll get on it a little bit.
Go ahead. Get after it. I'm gonna drop this off, but you can go all the way around the circle again if you want.
I may get that the model wheel.
Yeah.
You don't mind. I do like the CityTri. That's what I was
Yeah.
except for the deer. I do love the deer. It takes a lot for me to decide not to do that.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't start thinking about torque sensors until I got these 2 bikes recently. That's when I started thinking, you know, I wished I had one.
I didn't think about it until I heard you talk about it.
Yep.
But that's a good thing, you know?
Yep.
You're helping me to make the right decision, you know?
Well, that's going to roll away.